Hey guys, babsomotden here, and today's video is about the Oraimo Freepods Pro unboxing. So here finally I got it. I don't know why Oraimo delayed my order, but here we have it at last. So at the front you can see I'll be showing you what is inside the box and my first impression about this. In a couple of days you'll be seeing the review of this Oraimo Freepods Pro. Okay, so remember to subscribe and let's get down to business. Alright, at the pack you can see Oraimo Freepods Pro sound of silence with the ANC active noise cancellation feature, and by the side you are going to see Pro hybrid noise cancellation technology, transparency for ambience awareness, clear voice call, and extra long play time with the Oraimo authentication center by the side. Then at the back you can't find the 2baba logo there. The 2baba is not at the back, just the spec, 365 days warranty, and the other certifications, international certifications, okay, with the QR code for scanning Oraimo. And by the other side you are going to see AVI Bass, which is a proprietary sound tuning technology for increasing low frequency for deep, powerful and bass in the music, and other 365 days Oraimo premium warranty. So that is pretty much it on the box. So let's just open this bad boy and see what is inside. Alright, so this is the opening. Listen to your own rhythm and keep exploring. That's from Oraimo. Then it comes with this flip. Alright, wow, it looks cool. Finally you have it here. So here is the product itself, which looks very good. It has a sleek metallic finishing according to Oraimo, and this sounds metallic. The feeling is metallic. Nice. Wow, this looks beautiful. As you can see, the LED is already blinking up. Wow, nice one, Oraimo. So I will need to charge this guy first. Once I charge them up, I will tell you how it sounds, and you can see the inside of it. It has some certifications and the input rating, the output rating, capacity of the battery, and the charging box and stuff like that. Okay, so it has a reset button at the front and the LED, just one LED at the front here, reset button here, and the Type-C charging port. Okay, so let's check out what you can find in the box. This should be okay. The manual, the paperwork. You have an ANC paper here. That means you have to tap and hold on the left earbud, then release it when you hear 2 beeps. So it has 3 modes, that is noise cancellation, transparency, and noise cancellation off. The active noise cancellation on this Oraimo earbuds works only when you are using both earbuds. You have to use both earbuds before this active noise cancellation can work. Okay, so that is that. And the leaflet, the manual comes in a lot of languages. Okay, English, French, Portuguese, Spanish, Arabic, and stuff like that. So let's just keep that aside. Let's see what else you can find in the box. This is an unboxing video, so wow. And this is the pouch. This is the pouch. It looks a bit, it's okay, not bad, but I would have wanted to be like this, maybe joint one, not the one that is separate. But anyways, this will still do. But if I don't like this, I'll just change it and get a generic one outside. But this is still good. Nice. Looks fitting now. Not bad. Looks fitting. So you can just find a key holder and hold it. Let's check what else you can find in the box. We have one more thing there, which I think, why is it stuck? Okay, it out. All right, so we have the extra ear tips, which is for the small ears and the large ears, and we have Type-C cable, the short Type-C cable. Okay, that's pretty much it in the box, nothing else. That is all. All right, I need to charge this thing up, and I will tell you more details on how it goes with me in the next couple of days. Please, if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, and remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get to higher numbers. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, I'll be charging this up. So alright, so I'll be testing the Google Fast Pair. Let's try and connect this Oraimo Freepods. Let's see if the Google Fast Pair truly works. I've just downloaded a Fast Pair. I've tried connecting it on my own. It's not really working. Let's see if this app is going to work for it. Okay, let me switch on my Bluetooth and let's see if it's going to work. Google Fast Pair. Okay. All right, it's working. It's working. So what I did, as you can see on the screen right now, what I did before I shoot this scene was that I downloaded an app from Google Play Store. This is not a Google Pixel device. This is an Android device made by Techno. So I downloaded Fast Pair Validator, and that brought up this Google Fast Pair app. So if you don't have Google Pixel, you have to download this app so that it can pop up your Oraimo Freepods for you. Okay, so it will pop up the Oraimo Freepods Pro for you. That is how it works. So it's just going to show you the battery percentage and stuff like that, and you'll be able to have every of your devices connected just to Fast Pair. Okay, so that is pretty much it about the connection. I'm going to listen to it once it is fully charged. It's still charging. I have not tested it yet, so please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that I can get notified once I post a new video concerning this Oraimo Freepods Pro, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. God bless you. Peace.